If you want to get free stuff on Temu in under a minute, listen carefully, because most people waste time doing the wrong steps first, and that's why nothing works for them. Before we start, I've placed the latest working Temu free gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. First, what under 1 minute actually means. Let's be clear, this does not mean free item delivered in 1 minute. What it means is you can trigger the free gift system instantly, no waiting, no guessing. The reward flow activates fast. That's the real goal. Step 1, don't open Temu first. This is where people lose time. They open Temu, start browsing, and then try to find free gift. Wrong move. Do this instead. Click the first link in the description. This immediately puts you into a promotion flow, not normal shopping. Step 2, activate instantly. Once the page opens, scan QR mobile or use manual activation. This takes just a few seconds. Now your session is connected to the free gift event. Step 3, open Temu. Now open the app. If it worked, you'll instantly notice free gift section, reward/event layout, item selection. That's your confirmation. Step 4, enter the code. Now enter the free gift code shown on screen. This links your account to the current promotion, and the system responds immediately. Why this feels so fast? Because you're skipping random browsing, trial and error, dead codes, wrong entry, and going straight into the correct flow. Important reality check. Let's keep it real. The system activates fast. The process starts instantly. Rewards are not instant, not guaranteed for everyone. Some steps may still be required. Final takeaway. If you want the fastest way to get free stuff on Temu, don't rush the wrong steps. Just do the right step first, activate, then open, then apply. And if it worked for you, comment what you're seeing. Did it trigger instantly or not? I want a real feedback.